Hi, I was having trouble finding a enclosure for a Raspberry Pi 4 and a touchscreen on the internet, so decided that since we found one, we would share this. We're starting a electric vehicle conversion project, and while we're waiting for the actual car to show up and do the actual electric vehicle work, we're working on some other details. It's an older vehicle, so it doesn't have an infotainment system, and then I'm totally hooked on having modern conveniences like music and hands-free calling and maps, etc. So we're looking at creating this infotainment center for the car. Ideally, it will eventually also have the electric vehicle battery status and motor status and all that, but that's to come much later. For the infotainment system, we're using this Raspberry Pi 4 and a touchscreen because it's just such a flexible platform, and of course it's so affordable. But first we wanted to make sure that the kit itself was physically hardened for all our prototyping. So as you can see here, my son created a 3D print from a file that was available for Pi 2 and 3, but he made room for the other connectors. Thanks to Luke E for his project file. So my son just took it and actually cut out the size so that it would fit the Raspberry Pi 4. It's not a long-term solution for the enclosure as an enclosure, so we didn't even bother putting up the back lid or anything like that. It's just literally just so we have room to do the jumpers and the connectors and still keep everything safe. So I was going to show you how it goes together. Can only find 2 screws, but it'll kind of get us to go for now. Looks great. It fits quite well. There's some things like the edges aren't quite covering the screen. It doesn't quite meet our needs for like something for a car, but definitely great for now. So we'll probably redo this for our project once, I also meet with a dashboard. Anyway, we wanted to share it because we couldn't find a solution. Hopefully we'll add more. Obviously, I have a CarPlay solution that we've been working on. We'll hopefully put that up there too. But now we just wanted to show you this enclosure, and thanks for watching.